Find a quiet space where you feel safe and undisturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes gently. Begin to slow your breath. Inhale through the nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale softly through the mouth. Let the day melt away. Breathe in presence. Breathe out all tension. Feel yourself arriving fully in this moment, the only true moment there is. With each breath, allow yourself to go deeper. Deeper into stillness. Deeper into awareness. Feel your body supported. Feel the stillness between each breath. And in that stillness, there is being. You are not your thoughts. You are not your past. You are not your name, your job, or your roles. You are awareness. You are consciousness. You are I am. Repeat silently or whisper softly. I am not becoming. I am. I am not waiting. I am. I am not hoping. I am. You are the operant power. Not outside of you. Not in the world. But here, now, in your awareness of being. As Neville said, your imagination is God. And your imagination is always creating. You are always assuming something about yourself. So now we choose, consciously, deliberately. Begin to feel into the reality of your desire. Who are you when your heart's deepest desire has already come true? How do you feel waking up as this version of yourself? What are the first words that come to mind? Whisper them now. I am abundant. I am loved. I am successful. I am free. I am powerful. I am radiant. I am wise. I am whole. Feel these not as affirmations, but as truths. Not something to become, but something you already are. Say within, I am that I am. And breathe. Now in this stillness, Bring a scene into your mind. A moment that would prove your desire is already real. It could be a phone call, a letter, a conversation, a look in the mirror. See it clearly. Let it unfold naturally. Hear the sounds. Feel the feelings. Be in it, not as a wish, but as reality. Let your inner being respond with gratitude. Smile gently if it feels natural. Say softly, "It is done. I am that I am." Now bring your attention back to your breath. Back to the room. Back to this moment, carrying with you the truth you've remembered. Not as an escape, but as a return to self, to source, to I am. Place your hand on your heart and say once more, "I am that I am." Let this final truth echo in your being. I do not chase. I attract. I do not seek. I choose. I do not become. I remember. I am that I am. Breathe deeply. When you feel ready, open your eyes and step into the world as the embodiment of your highest identity.